Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a simple trick to hide apps on your Android phone for privacy. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Then scroll down. Go to Security. Then scroll down. Click on Privacy and App Encryption. Now enter your password. Click on App Hiding. From here, you can hide your apps as you want. You can hide your apps for your phone privacy. You just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to hide apps on your Android phone for more privacy. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.